In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the fuel tank straps on this Dodge Ram 2500. Let's get started. I always recommend replacing these straps one at a time. That way you don't have to drop the fuel tank or support it in multiple areas. You just support it in one spot. Having said that, because I'm on the lift, I have a pole jack. If you're on the ground, use a floor jack or whatever else you have with a block of wood or anything wide that will support the weight of the fuel tank. Try not to puncture it with something like, about this size if I were to use directly the pole jack directly on the fuel tank, because it is plastic. Put a little bit of pressure on it. That's it, just enough to hold it. And now we can safely undo the strap on this end, and the other end will be supported by the other strap. Use a 16mm socket and remove the mounting nut that holds the strap onto the frame. Pull the strap down. Make sure this shield doesn't fall. It shouldn't, but just make sure. And from the other side, if you just push it up, pull it towards the frame and down, there it is, it just hooks in. Get the new strap, hook it in, make sure it's properly secured in there. And bring the strap over through the bolt. There we go. Put the mounting nut back on and snug up the mounting nut. "30 foot-pounds is the torque for these mounting nuts. This one's tight. Now that this strap is tight, let's remove our support, move it over to the other side of the tank, and do the same thing to the other strap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.